Hey, Eagle Run 23 here, getting ready to head out the door, going to SHOT Show. Got up early this morning, I got packed, everything is sorted and put away. I actually ran by and picked up the Sig Cross. Hey!
All right.
You got something good?
I got something good for you. Did you shake the tops off?
Yeah, I think we're clear.
All right.
I don't see anybody.
All right.
Sig Cross.
It's not any Sig Cross.
Oh, this is an 8.6 Blackout Sig Cross. Let's go. 8.6 Blackout. This thing is so cool. Fold out stock, SBR. Got the Q, a pork chop down there on the end. Of course, a tracked optic up top. But anyway, I got to shoot that this morning. I wanted to test out the United Precision 300 Match Black. And I was short on time, but priorities, right? So heading off to the airport here in just a little bit, and wanted to go over SHOT Show 26. This will be the third SHOT Show I've been to. Very excited. I have some really cool appointments. I have some cool stuff to show you. One of the main things I'm expecting to see at SHOT Show are a lot of suppressors. As you know, suppressors are going wild right now, and I expect to see a lot of suppressors, maybe from some companies. Like, for example, Lyman, they make reloading equipment. They have a suppressor that they're going to show out. I'm going to get to shoot that on Monday, so that's going to be pretty cool. Last year, the three big takeaways I saw: barreled actions, suppressors, and night vision. I'm not really expecting a large departure from that, but I think overall we're still going to see thermals, night visions, and we're going to see a lot of suppressors. So that's cool. A great time. And if you haven't got a suppressor yet, lots of stuff happening with that. $0 tax stamp. A lot of these companies have a wait list. Some of them have them in stock, but make some decisions about what you're looking at. And if you have any questions, let me know. I have my favorites. A lot of times companies will schedule us to come by at certain times. This year, I didn't take a lot of appointments. I have a handful of companies that I like the people that work there and I want to see their stuff. But mostly I'm hoping to walk around. I've got some different audio and camera gear this year, so I'm hoping that I can walk around and see some new stuff. Other things on my list: anytime I go by a Ruger, a Savage, a Taurus, we're definitely going to ask them about the 8.6 Blackout for sure. CVA, Taurus, we're going to go by all those places and ask and see what they got. Magpul just showed that they're doing some new colors. They have an MCT and an MCB, I think, something like that. They got some new colors. I'm colorblind, but I love colors on my rifle. In fact, this Sig Cross is solid black. It's not going to stay solid black. We all have plenty of solid black stuff. Let's see some other things. A couple of handguns I want to take a look at. A couple of accessories. I definitely want to put my hands on a Gen 6 Glock. I want to see what that looks like. There's some new stuff from Tracked Optics. I'm going to go shoot some of those things before SHOT Show, so that'll be pretty fun. You can see the full list of vendors if you go to the SHOT Show website. Click around on there. If there's something you want me to check out, you have a special request, I'll see if I can work it in. All right, guys, we got to go. Time to go to the airport. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.